Welcome to our farm, come see the sights. The cows are grazing from morning till night. The chickens cluck and lay eggs in a row. Out in the field, the vegetables grow. The pigs love rolling in the soft muddy ground. They snort and oink, happy to be around. The ducks swim by with a waddle and quack. In the pond they splash and never look back. The horses gallop and trot through the hay. Strong and swift they run and play. Sheep with their wool so fluffy and white buy and nibble from morning to night. The farmer's tractor hums all day long, planting the seeds where they belong. The windmill turns with a creak and a spin, powering the farm as the breeze flows in. Rows of corn stand tall and bright, golden kernels ready to take flight. Apples on trees so red and sweet, ready for picking, what a tasty treat. The sun sets slowly over our farm. The animals rest, safe from harm. The stars come out to light up the night. Good night from the farm, everything